This will be a quick video showing you how I take my blade off, sharpen it, and put it back on. Enjoy. You see how I lifted that blade out of there? Well, remember, for when we put the blade back on, we're gonna lift it again.
Shoes are to get. Here you go. One in a minute.
This is a key reminder to show you to put the blade on exactly how you found it. This is a lineup. I'm matching the new sharpened blade to my old blade in case you had two blades to reference. If not, remember, this is what it's supposed to look like when it comes off and goes on. Okay, so notice I have my blade lifted. That's because I put the teeth in the tip first, and then I line up every other tooth into the groove on the bottom and the top. While I'm tightening the bolts, I make sure that I'm lifting and pulling on the blade to the point where the teeth aren't sagging. You want to make sure they're nice and taut. Now, I'm no expert, but this is what I go for when cutting. I try to have a blade that is not too loose, not too tight. It has a little bit of bounce. Hope you enjoyed. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.